Welcome, today I am with Huawei Nova 9 SE and I want to show you 5 camera tips. Okay, so the first I'm going to show you how you can take photos. You can make it in a few ways. The first one is very obvious. You can just tap on the shutter, right? You can also use the volume buttons. You will find them right here next, let me just get the focus, next to the power key. It's located right here. So when you click once on the volume up or volume down, you can also take photos. You can also take photos in the burst shot. So it's the series of the photo. So you have to click and hold the shutter. And right now you can take a lot of photos in the very short time. It will be probably to 100. Yeah. So right now when you want to store all of these photos, just quick example, open the gallery and tap right here. And right now we can slide and find all of these photos that you take. Okay, but we got also another method how to take photos. To make it, you have to open the settings on your phone. So we have to tap on this gear icon, and right now you can use audio control. So we can pick the keyword, cheese, or speak loudly. Let's try this second option. Take photo. Take photo. Okay, as you can see, it's working, and we also take photo. Okay, so that was the first one. Let's turn it off. Right now, how to use the zoom feature. So we got presets before. You can go for the ultra wide lens, for the 1x, 2x, and 10x. But when you click and hold, you will find the slider, and with the slider, you can zoom in and zoom out much smoother. Just like that. You can also make it by pinching screen with your 2 fingers. So that there you got the 3 different ways how to use zoom on this phone. Right now, if you want to change color and temperature on the photos and also the brightness you can change by tapping on the screen and moving the sun icon to decrease or increase brightness. Oh, sorry, I just switched to the another mode, or just simply decrease the brightness level. It works also in the other modes like video, portrait, and etc. Okay, but what about the color and the temperature? Tap right here and you will find few presets. As you can see, they change color and the temperature. For example, if you want to take photo with this one, just click on the shutter. And if you want to get rid and go for the normal look of the photo, just go for the none. Okay, and what about more details in the photo? So go for the more modes, pick high resolution, catch focus, take photo, go for the details. Oh, let me just rotate the phone. Okay, like that. And right now we can find more details on this photo with the high resolution mode, and also we can zoom in much closer than with the normal mode. So we'll be surprised how many details we can find on this high resolution mode. Okay, let's go back, and the last option that I want to show you. So if you have any problem with the lighting condition, you can simply use this torch. It's right here. You can also call it the flashlight. So you can just click to turn it on. It's turned on right now. You can also turn it on when you take photos. So this one and this one is turned on permanently. And as you can see in front of us, let's take without. Okay, maybe it's not the best example. Let's try to turn it on right here. Okay, maybe right now we can spot the difference. Because actually I'm in the good lighting condition, so... Okay, but yeah, definitely right now we can spot the difference on the photo. So yeah, you can feel free to use the flashlight if you have bad lighting condition. In my case, everything is fine, but when you are in the dark scenario, you can just turn it on and your photo looks definitely better. Okay, so that's my 5 tips for the Huawei Nova 9 SE. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.